Prime numbers are special numbers that only have two factors. For more information on factors, please see my other video on factors and multiples. Every prime number is divisible by only itself and 1. For example, in the first 10 numbers, from 1 to 10, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. There is some discussion surrounding the number 1 being a prime number, but for argument's sake we will say that it isn't here because it has only one factor, itself. Prime numbers are very important because every whole number is made up of a product of prime numbers. For example, 8 is a product of 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 cubed. This is called prime factorisation. Another example of this could be the number 50. We can use a prime factorisation tree to help find the prime factors. 50 can be the product of 2 times 25. Here we will circle over 2 as that is a prime number. Now 25 can be the product of 5 times 5. We will circle both 5s as they are also prime numbers. Now we can write down the prime factors of 50. They are 2 times 5 times 5, which can also be written as 2 times 5 squared. This can be done with any whole number and helps when looking to find things such as the lowest common multiple and highest common factor between sets of numbers, something we will look at in a later video. Now I hope this has helped and you know more about prime numbers and prime factorisation.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.